Today I have the most amazing and delicious little recipe for a bucatini in a caviar sauce. I cannot tell you how happy this dish makes me. It's very easy to prepare, ready in about as long as your pasta takes to boil, and it will have you singing with pleasure. So, first things first, I got my water pre-boiling already for my pasta. Now, here's the thing for this. This recipe, your timer is going to be the actual pasta doneness. So just let me move that out of the way. And one of my favorite pastas that's near and dear to me, like I'm telling you, I think I have like an emotional attachment with this pasta, is bucatini. 60 million Italians can't be wrong, and my friend Tony, I know you're watching, he hates it when I call them paisans, but they are. He goes, oh, don't call us paisans, call us wops, call us Italians. So, in goes my bucatini. Just let me juice that up. I'm cooking for two, so this is going to be about 220, 250 grams of pasta at least in there. You don't want any embarrassing portions. You know, we've talked about that before. This 85-gram business is absolutely crazy. Also, I never salt my pasta water, just the way it is. And believe me when I tell you, this recipe has no shortage of flavor. Next, I'm going to take one pan. This is where the magic's going to happen, all here. Now, first things first, I'm going to take a little bit of my Greek olive oil, and I'm going to do probably about a quarter cup at least of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. Let that kind of heat up there. I'm going to take 1 clove of garlic, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally smash it up and just really thinly slice it up, or as thin as I can get it. Perfect. That's just the garlic going there. So give this a little twirl here. The next thing to go in is the juice and the zest of 1 lemon. Perfect, just like that. Now, as my garlic's pretty much ready to go, the next thing I'm going to add in here, because I like a little bit of heat and a little bit of kick, is a little red chili flake. You can put as much or as little as you like, totally up to you. I'm going to take about a cup of cream. That's perfect right there. And this will kind of work its way in. And let me just grab a whisk here. Just stir that in. This is all going to become just one beautiful, just deliciousness. Now, I'm going to take my lemon zest, just put it in there, and it's almost going to steep like a tea. This will be ready in a few more minutes. Like I said, again, no offense to my Italian friends, nothing happens in this kitchen that's al dente. The next thing I'm going to add in here is some pepper. Now, the kicker to this sauce, I want to use caviar. In this case, I am using carp caviar. You can use any kind you like. In Greek, we call it tarama. Absolutely delicious. At the time that I was shooting this video, it's around Lent. So although it's not suitable for Lent, this dish, I will tell you it's super crazy good. I'm just gonna put my caviar in here, just like that. And this will give us such a delicious, robust flavor. And again, I'm not using any salt in this. You just don't want to go like overboard. You don't want to go crazy here, believe me. My pasta is doing its thing, and we're motoring, baby. Now watch this as our tarama starts melting into this, or our caviar. Because it's pink, the sauce becomes a pink sauce too. And look at this gorgeousness. The sauce is starting to tighten up as well. I'm getting the flavor of the lemon in the background. All right, my sauce ready to go. My pasta, let me just double check. Oh, perfectly overdone. just the way I like it. Let me turn this off. Grab this. Here comes the good stuff, baby. Heat's off now. We're done. My sauce has actually tightened up exactly the way I like it. That's perfect. Just like that. Move this, put this here. The next thing, even if you got a little pasta water in there, not a big deal. Just let that coat itself in there. As the pasta goes in with the starchy water, it will actually help tighten up even more. And I love this. Absolutely fantastic, man. Wow. Perfect. And dig out the bucatinis. Good. No problem. We got those. Let's just move this out of the way. Awesome. I'm going to take my lemon. Just grab the juice, but not the pits. People whine. And this, just give this a nice little toss here, just like that. Lastly, I'm going to take a little bit of parsley, and I don't want to cook the parsley. The heat's off. I'm just going to add it for a little extra flavor and color. Even if you get a couple of stems in there, no big deal at all. Just put that in there, just like that. Perfect. And just give it a little stir. Can you hear the choir singing? Oh my God. You don't want this to be in your plate and it becomes one like spongy mess. That's just gross. No, we don't want to do that. Good luck in trying to get like an even strand of bucatini because it's actually difficult to twirl. But I'm gonna try. Down the hatch. That is so delicious, my friends. It is absolutely gorgeous in my mouth. The texture, the flavor, garlic, the tarama or the caviar, the cream adds a certain luxuriousness to this. You could even take it one step further, add mushrooms to this. You can even add nuts to this if you want to go like a little funkier. The possibilities are absolutely endless. So that's it for this episode on my bucatini in a caviar cream sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys try this recipe because it's absolutely fantastic. It doesn't take long at all to make. Come home from work, throw it on. You have a meal that'll feed one or it'll feed like a crowd. It doesn't matter. So for this recipe and many others, please check me out online at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, as always, please take care of yourselves and each other. As for me, I will definitely see you on the next one. Much love. Bye for now.